Hi, welcome to Attainable Green. I'm Jess, and today we're going to do a November update on my orchid collection. So in November, the weather cooled and it signaled to a lot of my plants that it's time to slow down. The orchids aren't going dormant, but there are some whose growth has slowed, and that definitely shows. But the good thing is there are a couple of spikes coming on, and I'm really excited to see how they turned out. My Oncidium Siku Marguerite is in bloom. With 3 spikes, there's about 100 flowers in total on this plant, so it did put on quite a show. I really like the sweet vanilla scent that this orchid gives off, and it's a very pleasing scent indeed. My Oncidium Twinkle Fantasy is starting to bud. There's some color showing on the buds, and I know that the flowers will open sometime soon. So I'm definitely looking forward to twinkle blooms in December. My Paphiopedilum is definitely in spike. Last time, it was just peeking out of the crown, and now you can see the full bud. It's really exciting, and I'm hoping that the spike will lengthen and probably bloom maybe in January. My Epicattleya Siam Jade is growing so vigorously. The flower spike has started to bud, and I'm really excited to see this one bloom, probably in the next month or so. My Neostylus Loose Neri is in spike again. It's really exciting because the last time it started to spike was in July and it flowered in August. So I think this one will probably flower maybe in late December or early January. My Dialalia Snowflake Northland is definitely in spike. Since the weather has cooled down, the growth on this spike has slowed significantly. I'm hoping that it will continue to grow, and we'll see what happens in the springtime. My Laelia Santa Barbara is still growing its new growth. It seemed like it aborted its previous flower spike, so there won't be any flowers from this one just yet. My Dendrobium tobense looked like it was developing a flower spike last month, but upon closer inspection, it seemed to have dried off and it started a new growth. So I don't think I'm getting flowers anytime soon. My Maxillaria Pseudoreichenheimiana is suffering again. Last month, it had a heat wave that killed off all the flower spikes. This time, with the cold front moving in, the leaves have started to get some cold damage. I'm gonna have to repot this one and bring it indoors so that it doesn't have any more problems. My Brassivola Digbyana and Aristocrat were repotted, and it looks like the new growth has stalled a little bit because of the cooler weather, but I'm not too concerned because they still look very healthy. Most of my Oncidiums are having new growths this month, and it's pretty exciting to see them grow. I don't think I'm gonna have too many spikes, but that's okay. I'm doing an experiment with my Oncidiums. This month and this season, I'm going to be putting them outside, and hopefully the increased humidity may help them grow better. This month, my plants have been doing much better, and I think the cooler temperatures have helped it significantly. I just hope that this will continue throughout the winter season and I won't have to deal with any pest or rot issues. But we will see, because I know something will always turn up. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Attainable Green, for all the latest updates. And hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Bye!